How to upload YouTube video on your TikTok. Hello everyone, it's me Smile here to guide you through the way. So to know how to do this, watch this video till the end. First of all, make sure that you have downloaded the certain YouTube video that you want to upload on your TikTok account. You can simply download the YouTube video by tapping on the share link, go on your Google Chrome and type download YouTube videos and download it without any watermarks or anything, and you can simply see that video on your gallery. And now how do you upload the video of YouTube that is saved on your gallery on the TikTok account? So you can see here is the option of share your most popular photo. By tapping on this, you can share the photo that you want to share. But to share any videos that is saved on your gallery, you can simply tap on the plus option, which is given right on the middle. And when you tap on this, you can just select the video that you want to share and just tap and share the video on your TikTok account. By this way, you can simply do it. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please do thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. For any queries and suggestions, to comment on the comment section. So yes, that's it. See you on the next one.